Hello and welcome to JinxCat. I'm the JinxCat dev. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply for CoinGecko listing. So first thing is what you have to do. You have to go to CoinGecko website. This is CoinGecko website. So scroll down all the way down. You can find here request form. Click on it, request form. This will load up a request form. This is where you have to fill up your form. Let's go ahead and fill up my form. So coin token listing. So you say acknowledge everything, click next. So please click this submit your listing request. Yeah, click on this. So basically you need to sign in. So you have to have an account. So I'm gonna sign up with my Gmail account. So let's go again for the request form. So we're gonna click on this is token exchange, whatever it is. So we're gonna click on this. It's a token. This is built on smart contracts platform. So we're gonna click on that. It's a token. So we're gonna click it's JinxCat symbol, also JinxCat. Description. So we're gonna go to our website and copy that. And paste it. I'm going to mention that it's whole journey is documented on YouTube. Let's put that. So website URL, we need website, JinxCat. Then we go and put that as well. So we don't have another website, only two websites. White paper, we don't have a website. Submit as role. I would say project founder. I would say founder. Exchange trading information. We don't have any exchange trading information. Block Explorer's link. Please provide the Explorer's link for the token. For example, if the CRC. So basically, what we need to do is we need to go and click on our. So currently, by the way, we are on 54 K market cap. We need to click on our contract. We go to SolScan. So I'm going to go to SolScan. I'm going to paste our token address and send that link. So let's paste that link. Just have JinxCat. So we copy this and send it here. This is Explorer link. Contract information, blockchain platform, it's Solana. Contract address, so we need the contract address again. From here, let's get the contract address. It's much easier to copy from Dex Tools. Contract decimal in place, I think it's 9. Blockchain platform 2, now only 1. Blockchain platform 3. For the time being, it's only 1. Supply details, is this infinite supply? No, it's 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, maximum supply, same. Community information, Twitter profile. So now we need to copy and paste all our informations. Now, let me go to Twitter profile. Copy that. Paste it here. Telegram channel. So I'm going to go and copy all these from here. It's much easier. Right click, copy link address, come down here and paste it. Facebook, we don't have Facebook. I have a YouTube channel. We're going to put the YouTube channel down here. Right click, copy link address. Yeah, follow this all for your socials as well. I'm going to put Instagram. Oh, anyway, okay. There you go. That's Instagram. It's copied. I'm going to put TikTok as well. So let's put TikTok. Discord invitation. Yeah, let's put Discord. We're not very active on Discord, but we will be setting up Discord as well soon. Copy link address. Make sure you copy link address, not image address. Okay. We don't have a medium yet. So developer information. So I have a GitHub, which is also there, which is nice. So let me put the GitHub where we host our games information. Copy link address. Paste here. GitLab, Bitbucket. No, any other information that I would like to share, the CoinGecko team. Yeah. Doxed dev documenting the whole journey on YouTube. Very strong community. Right, attachments. Token image. Let's send an attachment to our token image. I will send this one, small one. That will be fine. 100 by 100. Listing terms. Click on that. Support terms. Yeah, we like all of them. I'm a human. Verified captcha. So let's go back and double check what we have. Information. JinxCat. JinxCat. I made a mistake. You can see I put J. JinxCat. JinxCat. Yeah, all good. JinxCat is good. Website is 2. Do you think I can put a game website maybe here? I'm not sure. Let me try and put that as well. Let's see. Like play games. If we click on play game, it'll go and load our game. Have you ever tried our game? So you can play the game. It's quite a nice little game that you can play. So I'm going to put that as well here. Right. Okay. Website 3, white paper. So Sabina's role founder. Trading exchange information. Market pairs, failure, property. Oh yeah, maybe I think I need to put a couple of Dex tools. This address. You have to put that as well, and also put Dex screener. Let's put Dex tools as well, which is quite good. Yeah, all looks good now. So we're gonna send that information. Select blockchain platform 5. Yeah, it's all good. So click submit. So let's see what we get once it's submitted. Go submission successful. So normally it takes about 10 to 20 days. Yeah, so let's see how that's turning out. Thanks for watching. I'd like to see you in another video with another update.